Baba has lost the image. Baba never thought that there could be a massive demonstration in Kenya where he is not involved. Baba has never slept to imagine that there is an outfit that can work in Kenya without him. So what has just dawned on him, he has lost it. And remember, during the Sabasaba, he tried to say Sabasaba ni yetu, tutaenda Kamukunji, and nobody listened to him. He had to abandon the plot. He had to abandon the house because aliitwa msaliti. Baba lost it when he went to the government of broad-based government. The people that had pushed to get into parliament, had pushed everything, they were pretty sure that at last we are able to suppress the dictators of this nation. But Baba went to rescue them. Remember, Ruto was the one people who rose to power through these dynasties. But he preferred to work with the dynasties other than the people he lied to, that I am coming to power to finish the dynasties. He worked with the dynasties to kill the people that brought him to power.
The common guys.
The common guys. And that is what the factor that will put him into power. Because everybody, even me, I voted for Ruto because he was talking about the dynasties. Because I would have wanted that now we don't have Kenyattas, we don't have the Mois, we don't have the Odingas, we don't have the Ngalas, all these people waenda tu wapumzike. We have a new revolution, a new crop. And Ruto was the face of that. But how he was cornered until he lifted up his hands, hata yeye muulize atakwambia ajui. How he is with Raila, atakwambia sielewi. Maana these people are scheming. They know how to scheme around, they know how to move behind you and generate a fire on you, and then they take it over.